Hi, welcome back. So now we are going to do a short review about the oceans and then we are going to do an art craft. So I found a PowerPoint presentation which is super nice. So I'm going to give you a short explanation about the 5 oceans and then we are going to learn where the oceans are located. So let's begin. This is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? It's called Oceans of the World. So what exactly is an ocean? An ocean is a very large area of salt water, and most of the earth is covered in ocean. Do you remember how many oceans we have? There are 5 oceans. The first one is the Pacific Ocean, which is the biggest ocean in the world. There it is located. So it is the biggest ocean that is called the Pacific Ocean. Then we have the Atlantic Ocean, which is the second biggest ocean in the world. There is the Indian Ocean, which is the third biggest ocean in the world. And it's over there, and it's named after the country of India. There is the Southern Ocean, is the second smallest ocean in the world. And it's also known as the Antarctic Ocean because it surrounds Antarctica. There it is. And over there you can find penguins, blue whales, seals, and other species. And the last one, the smallest ocean, is called the Arctic Ocean. And the Arctic Ocean is completely covered in ice. So you can find polar bears, for example, who are swimming there in the water. And because of the climate change, the ice is melting. So that's very sad. Anyways, we know a little bit more about the 5 oceans. At least we know the names by now. And now it's time to give them a to locate them on the map. So I'm going to turn the camera again and I'm going to show you what we are going to do. So I have this worksheet which is called the world's largest oceans and seas. Well, we are not going to do the seas because I think that is too much. But we are going to do the continents and the oceans because we already know the continents, yeah? We know Europe, Africa, Asia, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. So what are we going to do? I'm going to cut all the continents and the oceans. So we need a scissor to do that. I'm going to cut out these ones. And then we are going to paste them on the world map. But we need to know where to paste them. So maybe you can open the world map on your computer so that you can see where to paste them. And also I'm going to color this map. I'm going to use paint. So I'm going to paint this map and I'm going to paste the continents and the oceans. So first I'm going to cut out all the continents and all the oceans. You can do it with me if you want to. If you didn't print it out, that is fine. Don't worry about that. You can draw the ocean. So you can draw the ocean, you can draw the world. So you can draw a world map. You can color it and you can write the names of the continents and the oceans. So if you don't have the printout, you can still do the activity. So we are going to cut out all the names of the continents and of the oceans. There we go. So do you remember how many continents there are? There are 7. And can you name them? Do you remember all 7 continents? What is the name of the continent that we live in? Where do we live? Do we live in Africa, in Europe, in North America, South America, Australia. Where do we live? What is the name of the continent? The name is South America. And do you know the name of the continent that you are born in? What's the name of the continent? Do you know that? Okay, I'm almost done with this. So I have it like this. So I have all the continents and the oceans, and I cut them out here. So now it's time to color the world map. That's the fun part, yeah? So I'm going to color, and which colors would I need for this? I need only 2 colors. I need blue and green. So I'm going to color the land green, and I'm going to color the water blue. So you can do that as well. So what do you think? Do I need more blue or do I need more green? What do you think? I will need more blue because the biggest part of the ocean of the world is covered by water. So I'm going to start with blue. Hope you can see it, because I cannot see the camera. So I do put some blue here, and I'm going to paint. And you can do it however you want to do it. It's your own design. But I think it's nice to use blue and green, yeah? Now I'm using water paint, so I needed water as well. So, okay. See, I'm going to do it like this, and I'm going to continue so that the complete world map will be colored. So do you remember the names of the oceans? Which one is the biggest? What is the name of the biggest ocean? It is the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest one. And which one is the smallest? What is the name of the ocean where you can find polar bears? That is the Arctic Ocean. Very good if you knew that. And what is happening to the Arctic Ocean? It is melting because of the warming up of the earth, yeah? So the earth is warming up, and that's why the ice is melting. That is a sad situation, but it's true. So the name of the Arctic Ocean is a good one to remember. Well, I'm not going to do it as pretty as you can do it, but look. All of that is water. So can you believe it? That we are with so much water. We are surrounded by so much water. And is the water sweet or is it salty? Is the water in the ocean sweet or salty? What do you think about that? The water is salty. Really good. Okay, now I'm gonna finish this later because otherwise my video will get very long. So this is all the water. Now I'm going to paint the land, and I'm going to paint it green. So then you can see the differences pretty well. There we go. It's going to look very nice, I think. So do you like to do art crafts? Do you like to paint, and do you like to color? Hope that you do. Okay. So only need a little more. I'm almost ready. I need to do North America and South America. So here I need to do North America and South America. I already did Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. And also I need to do Antarctica. Okay. So after that we are going to paste. Right? We are going to paste the continents and the oceans. Okay. Well, mine is ready. I hope you like it. I do. I think it's pretty, the blue and the green, and that's also, those are the colors of the world. So now I'm going to paste all the continents and the oceans on the map. So you will need some glue stick. Sorry about the noise. So I'm going to start with Asia. Where do I need to paste Asia? Where is Asia on the world map? It is over there. I'm going to put some glue. And I paste it. So at the end, your world map is going to be covered with names. So again, if you don't have this, you can make it and you can write it, okay? So it doesn't matter if you don't have this, you can make it yourself. So you will paste all the continents and all the oceans. If you are ready, please take a picture of it and send it to me so that I can see it. I'm going to continue now pasting all the continents and oceans, and I hope that you are doing the same. And I hope that you enjoyed the class, and we will see each other later.